just another small video to see the box press button is go down. You wanna stop, press again, it's stop. Yeah, press again, is go up. You wanna stop, press again, is stop. It's wanna go down, press again, is go down. Easy, no problem. Remember about this one, you have to pull down this one to switch to manual. Look, I will do it just now slowly. You pull down and listen the noise, the click. You hear the noise, it's click. Just now is go up. Easy, easy, very easy. Is go up the door. Everything is working. So to switch back to automatic, you pull down again. Hear the click is automatic just now. Press the button is go up. Press button again is stop. Press button again is go down and close. That's it. Completed. Perfect working garage door and automatic.